So in this exciting video, I'm going to sum up the window cleaning industry. I'm going to use two 14-inch squeegees working on this window here. Let's rub this soap in, nice and thick. So, the majority of window cleaners with this 14-inch squeegee would much rather use this as a tool to get their work done because the window cleaning industry has always been broken. So it doesn't matter what brand of squeegee is. That is currently an Unger top brand. It's the biggest brand in window cleaning around the world. And because window cleaning is so special, people are so special in this industry, just use YouTube as a guide for this. You can gain the impression of what window cleaners and window cleaning is all about. It's completely broken. So let's use the same technique with a different, slightly more improved tool to use. You know, it's the tool that most people on YouTube don't like to use, because what it does, it transforms the window cleaner from being a useless, lousy performing window cleaner to a window cleaner that is, well, quite frankly, shouldn't be involved with window cleaning because it goes against the grain. That's why I always say, don't think, don't act, don't work like everybody else.